Hey, helicopter coming. I think there's a plane taking off soon as well. Yeah. So I'll be excited to see that plane take off. I can actually hear like the helicopter. That's not right now. We've got a huge plane right there that goes to East Midlands at like 8 o'clock at night or 7, I don't know. So where's that helicopter at? There it is. We've got a big plane there, a small plane there, and another big plane there that's going to be going very soon. That'll be going, that plane, the big one back there, that's going to London. And yeah, there's meant to be a KLM, I think it's an Embraer 175 that's meant to be taking off. That's heading that way to Amsterdam in the next couple minutes. Right over there, the blue one, I think that's a West Atlantic 737-300, and that's a Bluebird Nordic 737-400, I think. And they both go to East Midlands at night. And you can see the KLM getting ready to take off. It's just lining up on the runway. So I'll keep it recording because it's about to depart. You will see plenty of action. I mean, Aberdeen Airport's quite a small airport, but it's still a good airport. So there's the Embraer 175 about to take off to Amsterdam. It takes roughly around an hour and 10 odd minutes to get there. And that's a British Airways Airbus A320neo, I think, definitely. So you'll hear the KLM engines roaring as it takes off. I'm so glad I made this video right now, because I was on the bus and it took so long to get to the airport. I thought I was actually going to miss this KLM plane, but I just made it. And sorry if I'm not really good with the camera. I'm like very shaky with my hands, and I'm using the phone. So yeah, is that the plane moving? No, it's not. Oh yeah, there's a Loganair ATR 500, I think. I have no idea where that's going. I'm guessing it's Sunborough, Lerwick, Manchester, and that's the KLM Embraer 175 taking off to Amsterdam. You can actually hear the engines. And my mum's over there just sitting there and she doesn't know there's a plane taking off. Look at that. Amazing. Going into the sun. Off to Amsterdam one more time. Quite loud, that. Can't see it in the camera now. What is it? There it is. Well, enjoy your trip in Amsterdam, whoever's on there, or if you're going back home. Enjoy. It's turning now towards south. See if there's any more action at KLM Embraer 175 in the very distance. I think its cruising altitude is 36,000 feet, I think. And in the distance we see another helicopter. That British Airways Airbus A320neo is going to be departing soon, because I did look on Flight Radar 24 and it did say it was meant to be departing very soon. And that KLM, again, in the very distance. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Where is it? Come on, where is it? Well, it's in the distance anyway, so we will ignore that. And I think that's operated by Bristol helicopters, to be honest. Yeah, it is I don't know what the name of this aircraft is, but I think it's I don't know how to say it. But yeah, I'm just waiting very patiently for that British Airways Airbus A320neo to depart. Even if it goes that way, it's still good. Yeah, that's definitely, yeah, that's Bristol helicopters. There was a small helicopter that passed earlier on that I did not see, but I was looking on Flight Radar 24. Oh yeah, there's the Loganair ATR 500. I think that's about to. I'm not sure where it's going. I'm gonna guess it's Sombra, which is in the Highlands of Scotland. There's meant to be one of Lee's aircrafts departing at like 1 o'clock to Manchester. And that Loganair ATR is just getting ready to go, whilst that Bristol helicopter like just goes down. I don't know the remake. I don't know what it's called. There was an NHV helicopter earlier on. That was an Airbus helicopter 175. H175, and that's the Loganair ATR taking off. I love its skin, by the way, it's amazing. There it is. This won't be as loud, but it'll still be amazing to catch. Boom. Off to Sombra, I think. If it turns left, but if it turns right, it's heading to Manchester, Birmingham. It could be anywhere, but if it turns left, it means it's going to Sombra. What do you call it? Kirkwall. Amazing, I love that. I wish that Bluebird Nortic could take off. That's like a 737. Alright, so far it's still climbing, but it hasn't turned yet. It's like, yeah, it's still going up. And that Bristol helicopters is just taxiing to its terminal, whatever you call it. I think it's actually turning right. I don't actually know. Anyway, back to all these planes here that's just sitting there. I don't see the Loganair. Oh, it's turning left. I see it. It's turning left. The ATR. Yeah, it's turning left towards the Highlands of Scotland. It's a Wednesday, and normally on a Wednesday, Aberdeen Airport is kind of busy, I guess. But I don't know what the busiest day it is, but Wednesday is quite busy. This British Airways Airbus A320neo must be delayed, because it's meant to be going by now, I think. And yeah, I will get back to you guys when I see an aircraft moving or it's about to land or take off. Alright.